an exhibition of old advertisements from the 1950s and 1990s, some of which featured legendary Indian singers, began on Tuesday in New Delhi's Indira Gandhi National Centre for the Arts. Sepia-toned print advertisements featuring Lata Mangeshkar, Geeta Dutt, Asha Bhosle and Mukesh, among other famous singers, have been displayed in the exhibition called Stars Shine. Archival print advertisements featuring legends Mohammad Rafi and the Queen of Ghazals Begum Akhtar have also been showcased. The link between cinema, celebrities and Indian consumers has been traced in this exhibition.
सिने स्टार्स ने जो इंडोर्स करे हैं हमने उनको ही यहाँ पर रखा है। सीरीज़ के तौर पर हमने एक तो लक्स को इस्तेमाल करा है। लक्स ने शायद ही कोई ऐसी हीरोइन हो जो लक्स में ना आई हो, तो एक तो उनको हमने वो करा, और दूसरे हमारे जो सिंगिंग स्टार थे, जो आप मेरे पीछे भी देख रहे होंगे, हाँ, प्लेबैक सिंगर्स जो थे, जिनके बारे में लगभग इस वक्त लोग नहीं जानते हैं कि उन्होंने कभी ऐड भी करे थे। रफ़ी साहब ऐड में आते थे और मुकेश जी ऐड में आते थे।
Venue officials said these archival advertisements offered a sense of belonging and nostalgia.
Actually, the main idea was just to bring back the memory, bring back the nostalgia, because we all have been growing up in the 70s and 80s, probably 80s and 90s. I mean, so these ads were the iconic in terms of not only the product, but it gave them a sense of belonging. As famously, I can say that cinema gave us icons, but Indian advertising gave us, made all those icons a household name. A sense of belonging came by seeing all these ads.
Visitors said they were surprised to discover that several legendary artists once endorsed popular brands.
मैंने यहाँ एग्जीबिशन के लिए विज़िट किया था, तो मुझे पता नहीं था कि इतने सारे लोगों ने लक्स साबुन की एडवर्टीजमेंट करी थी, तो मुझे यहाँ आके मुझे ये चीज़ पता चली।
Advertisements of Televista Television, Murphy Transistors and Rajdoot motorcycles, endorsed by the late actor Dharmendra, have been displayed as a tribute to his legacy. The Star Shine exhibition would remain open to the public till 21st December.